Hello, another demo from Brenzo Gears and Gadgets. Leatherman OHT, Coyote color, black oxide, 16-in-1 tool, made in USA. Comes with this nylon sheet. Can bottle opener, large flat screwdriver, small flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, saw, knife. This one is strap cutter with oxygen tank wrench and medium flat screwdriver here. Serrated knife. Okay. This part here can be used for the brush adapter or cleaning rod. You can attach this to this part. Okay. This also has a lock here. Turn this, then press this one to get the needle nose pliers. Needle nose, regular pliers with premium wire cutters. This can be replaced just in case it breaks. Purchased separately. Premium cutters, spring action pliers. From Brenzo Gears and Gadgets, Facebook page 0917-634-5916. Thank you.